Well, wasn't gonna make this video today, but I decided to go ahead and are these gas stations really honest? I filled up at the Marathon gas station in Kentucky. We are fixing to hit Tennessee, I-75 to Knoxville, Tennessee, and I noticed that this car got 28 miles per gallon coming up. Could have took Bowling Green, but on the way down I noticed that this thing didn't get the mileage coming down as it did going up. So I don't understand why that is, but we're going to fix that issue and see if I could possibly get 93 from a Shell station and see if that improves the fuel mileage. So I think some of these gas stations have an honesty problem. Could be an honest mistake, but this car has let me know that it's not getting the mileage that it should. So we're going to top it off and see what happens, and I'll bring you guys an update. But we're on our way back. Everything is fine otherwise. But car's happy otherwise. It's just the mileage is down a little bit. So that's my only hiccup about this whole trip. I'm happy. So what do you think, son?
What?
You happy about this trip so far?
Yep.
Let's make the car happy. Well guys, it took 5 gallons. It used 5 gallons between 137 miles. 5.1 gallons, so it averaged 25 miles per gallon on a trip up here. So we're going to see how well it picks up or not with this fuel, Shell's gas. So I'll bring you guys an update here in the next clip. Alright guys, here I bring you guys an update. I got my son holding the camera, but when you are shopping or if you're needing fuel and you have the convenience of choosing, you know, what's best for your car in your area. I know beggars can't be choosers sometimes, but your car will tell on you which fuel it likes and what it don't like. This car, I put what was it, Marathon gas in it this morning in Kentucky. Seem to like that fuel very much. Now, since we topped it off with the Shell gas, the mileage has picked up about 2 miles per gallon. We're getting 27.8, almost 28 miles per gallon versus the 25.5 we were getting earlier. And the car seems to be more fuel efficient. So if you have that luxury, you know, find the best station that has the best fuel for your car, because if you don't, you know, you're going to be spending more money on fuel in the long run. And I'm just trying to help you save money on your wallet. So I figured I'd bring you throw a little light on that. You know, just something to consider. You know, just little things like that. But some of these gas stations have an honesty problem, and I believe we did not get 93 octane this morning from that gas station, because this car is definitely running quite a bit better. So, but that's all I've got, and I'll give you guys a little more of an update when we get in North Carolina. So we're headed back to, we're en route to North Carolina right now, but we're about 273 miles from home. We're about 52 miles away from Knoxville, Tennessee. So that's all I have for you, and I'll be picking up an update here pretty soon. So talk to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we are here back in North Carolina. The scenery, man, just once again, I just want to have you guys just to take it in, man. ripped, so get ready. That's the best highlight of this video, probably. What do you think?
Yep.
But we're gonna let my exhaust rip just a little bit. You know, he ain't gonna do nothing stupid. But speaking of tunnel, here we go. Anybody was asleep in them tunnels, they're awake now. Oh man, that was fun. But I think somebody got a video of me. Hey, send it to me, dude. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys when we get to our next stop. Alright guys, we got another tunnel coming. I don't know why we didn't go through the other tunnels. But we got another tunnel coming up. So, here we go, boys. Stop at the next checkpoint. Alright guys, on our way back home we decided to stop by the Biltmore Estate here in my town. If you want to see stuff like this, you know, this is a Biltmore house that was built years and years ago. I haven't been here since I was a kid. Thinking, you know, I asked my kid, I said, you know, do you want to come up to the Biltmore Estate while we're out? He's never been. I figured he would have went, but I told him on the way back we would see the Biltmore Estate, so we're going to see the Biltmore Estate. Well guys, it's going to go to the Biltmore Estate, but they're closed, and plus the tickets are very high. We'll have to come back another time. So we'll come back another time. Alright guys, I think I'll post a small little update. We are on our way back home. We're about an hour, give or take. Driveway. I have a foam cannon the next time I have this car out on a major trip, we'll probably go to Rockingham Dragway for the Digger Die. I may take this car, or I may take my Taurus, but we will be returning to the drag strip with this car at some point after I get the traction control fixed and the switch, and see how well the time improves along with a new set of spark plugs. So that's all I have for you right now. I'm going to let the GoPro charge, and I'll see you guys at the house. And we are home. She's cleaned up. I'm going to spice it up for tomorrow. I'm going to end the video here, guys. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy the trip. Looking forward to going again next year. Hopefully we might take this Torino sitting here, so we don't know. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for sharing. Whoever who does and who don't, it's fine. But I'll see you guys in the next one.